Today on Currie Explain, our 31-spline Sportsman Third Members. Hey, what's up guys? I'm John Henson from Currie Enterprises, and we're going to talk about our 31-spline Sportsman Case Third Members. Our 31-spline Third Members are going to all come equipped with a 31-spline Currie twin track. The Currie twin track is a helical gear style limited slip. Some people have nicknamed that a worm gear style. Basically, what does that mean? It just means that when you're going around a corner, it's going to differentiate or spin the wheels at a different rate very smoothly. But if you want to slam on it going straight and do a two-tire fire, burnouts all day, not a problem. So it's a limited slip, or posi if it would, and available in 31-spline. Our Sportsman case is a nodular iron case, just like you see it here. It's going to come with a iron Daytona style big bearing pinion support, our Currie specific pinion support bolts, which are specific for a pinion support, not a standard grade 8 bolt with a lock washer here. And they're equipped with a 1350 nodular iron yoke. We have standardized on a 1350. Reason being is, one, you talk to your drive shaft manufacturer, everybody across the aftermarket knows what a 1350 U-joint is, so it's easy to make a drive shaft for, and it's easy to adapt to if you use a combination U-joint. Combination U-joint part numbers are available on our website under our tech area. Sportsman Third Members all come equipped with a fill plug right on the side. It's going to be a 3/8 hex head. You can remove this plug and go ahead and fill up your gear oil right directly through here and then replace it. Most standard 9-inch housings are going to take 3 quarts. We do recommend our 85-140 Currie gear oil, which is going to be non-synthetic and a GL6 rated, which is specific for a Ford 9-inch style rear end. Our Currie twin track does not require friction modifier. There are no clutches in here that are going to necessitate any kind of additive, which is awesome. The traction lock's gone away, guys. It's gone the way of the dinosaur, as we say, and the new style limited slips are all going to be the helical style like you see here. Gear ratios that we actually put in stock are going to be the popular ones. We have a 3.0, a 350, a 370, and a 411, most commonly on the shelf, ready to ship within a day. For any other gear ratio options that you might need or consider, please feel free to check our website. If you have any other questions regarding our 31-spline Sportsman Third Members, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe here. For more Currie tech videos, click right here, and for other Currie content, click right here. Thanks for watching, guys.